Good afternoon, all you awesome realtors. It is Clark Mundy, your Director of Technology here. And I just wanted to take a few moments on this awesome Friday afternoon to show you all a little tip that I just learned from Marty Miller last week about scanning documents into the notes section of your iPhone. So here in our new note, on the bottom middle of the screen, you're going to see the camera icon. And we're going to click on that. And then the top option, Scan Documents. So again, we're in the notes on an iPhone or an iPad. You click the camera icon and scan documents. When you do this, the camera will appear. And I'm going to recommend you put on a dark background since we're using white paper. And you'll see this yellow little border pop up. We'll take a picture of it. It'll drop anchors that we can edit if we so desire. I'm going to say that that's good. And we're going to click Keep Scan on the bottom right. And we're going to go one document at a time. I also recommend you only put the one document down along by itself so that you don't have papers behind it, because you can see through. I did a scan earlier where it was very difficult to read everything legibly because the photos behind, or the pages behind rather, were showing through. Now, I'm not going to make y'all sit here for 12 of these, so we've done 4 pages of scans so far. I've got some others over here. But you see on the bottom right, there is a Save For button option, and we're going to click on that. When we do that, now you can see in the note right here, see we can type in a note just like normal. You see right there? Now, we've got our entire little scanned documents in here. You can swipe to the side to see all of the different pages. You can also click in there and make any edits. You could add a filter, I guess, if you wanted to. You could crop. You could do a myriad of different things in here. And let's say you wanted to go ahead and email these scans to another agent or somebody else. So we've got our scan right here. We click into it. And then on the top right, you see the box with the arrow coming out of it. That's the share button. We're going to click on that and go to Gmail. I'm going to email this to myself just for this test and say documents for your records. I'm going to click the send button on the top right. It just completed. It said it's done. We should see an email pop up here just momentarily. There it is, Clark Mundy, documents for your records. I click into Gmail right here. I'm able to click on the PDF that was created. And look at that, y'all. See, obviously there's some black lines in there because I did not move those anchor points just to save some time. But you can see how easy it is to go ahead and scan documents directly from your phone into your notes section. The reason this is helpful is because there are third-party applications on the Google Play and Apple App Store, but they only allow you to do a few scans until they ask you to pay. And this is a free way to do that. You can do this on Android as well. I just don't have an Android phone, don't know how to do it, but you can Google and YouTube that as well if you don't have an Apple device. Hope this was helpful and you'll have a great Friday. Let me know what I can do for you, and we'll talk soon. Have a good one.